Hello, I'm Knight Kiplinger, Editor-in-Chief of Kiplinger Publications. There are many places these days where you can find advice on retirement planning and living well in retirement. There's more information on the subject available than ever before, whether free on the web, through your bank, investment advisor, or insurance agent, your brother-in-law, a neighbor, or anywhere. But which of those sources do you really trust to have your best interests at heart? Well, look no further than Kiplinger's Retirement Report. At Kiplinger, we've been advising hundreds of thousands of readers in these matters for more than 60 years. Day in and day out, our editors do all the reading and research for you. They analyze hundreds of financial, tax, insurance, and investment resources to find the best strategies to help you build your retirement nest egg. I invite you to take advantage of all that Kiplinger's Retirement Report has to offer. Our risk-free, 100% money-back guarantee of satisfaction ensures you have nothing to lose, but your chance to gain is very great indeed.